If you're anxious to see what pre-spring inventory they have at Dollar Tree, this video is for you. What's up, Royals? Welcome to Tonitra's Garden. Today, I am taking you to Dollar Tree and we are gonna see what they have in store for the spring season. I have my hot chocolate. I am ready to rock and roll. So let's go. So we just pulled up, fingers crossed that they have some inventory. Let's go. Okay, so they have a very small selection, but let's see what they have. Down here, what is this? Flower rocket. Over 500 seeds. So you just put this little pod into your planter and it just grows. So they have a couple of options here. I have a couple more down here. Okay. They have some gates, some little garden fences. I think I'm gonna pick a few of these up because I needed something last year to fence in my bush beans in my raised bed because they kept falling over and breaking. So I feel like these would be a great way to keep them all held in. So I'm gonna pick up a few of these on my next trip, but these are a good addition to your gardening supplies. We have some small trellises. We have some metal hooks, some metal flag poles, $1.25. They have some plant labels. So you get a pack of 10 for $1.25. Those are good. They have some flags. Gardening gloves are always wonderful to have. $1.25, you can't beat it. A couple different colors. I actually like this color. They have these cute little watering cans. Perfect for like small pots and things like that. Hanging baskets maybe. Look at these, how cute. Flower pot hangers. Look at the little bee. He's cute. Okay, so we're gonna move over. They have some garden soil, $5. That's not a bad price. And that's actually a good price for this bag of soil. They also have some pruners. I haven't tried these ones, but I have tried the smaller pruners. They don't have any. They lasted a couple months. The spring broke after a while, but if you're doing something quick, then you could definitely use those. They have some little spray nozzles for $1. You can't beat it. I actually do want one of these little shovels. So they have two sizes. They have this one, and then they have the smaller one. So those are nice for $1.25. Plastic watering stakes. So you put these in like your planters, or you could put it in a raised bed. Cute. Okay, let's move on over. They always have these. I do want to get one, but I don't have many birds in my yard. I used to have birds, but I haven't seen them in a while. Up here, they have some seeds. OMG. So they have a wildflower blend. Ooh, you get a good amount in this pack. Wildflower blend, Impatience, wildflower. We got some mammoth sunflowers. Ooh, these are the big ones. I might have to try these this year. Another wildflower pollinator blend, hummingbird blend. That could go with your hummingbird feeder. We've got some zinnias. These are semi-dwarf. I love me a good dwarf zinnia. I might have to pick these up. They also have another wildflower for shade. So I'm liking that they have shade. They have pollinator, sunny area, butterfly, and over here they have a microgreens salad mix. So I'm liking what they're doing with their seed packets and, you know, explaining and giving us a better variety, because I've never seen these. I've never actually seen any of these before. I've never seen this variety, nor these, nor the microgreens mix. So those are cool. They have a little grow kit here, cone flower. Oh, I do need some cone flower in my life. They have one that is a tomato kit, and they have a sunflower kit. Okay, so let's move up a bit. They have these little plastic rectangular planters, good for flowers and herbs, I would say. I desperately need these right now. Plastic plant clips. These look pretty durable. They have 2 different sizes in there. They have some starter pots. $1.25 if you need starter pots. So all of this stuff is $1.25. Little greenhouse starter, seed starter. Cute. Okay. Let's look down here. So I've never seen these little plastic pots. They have some type of hole down there, but I'm assuming this is to hang on like maybe a fence or something. And you can put things in here, or you could put this on like your seed station and put pins and tools that you need. Maybe some plant tags. But there is a little hole at the bottom. So I'm assuming that you do put a plant in here. We have some rolling plant trays with wheels at the bottom. Very handy. A couple different colors. The famous stackable planters. I have a ton of these at home. Smaller planters. This is pretty. I've never seen this planter. It's a good size. And I like the detail on that. That's cute. Okay, here they have some smaller planters, 3-pack. And then they have a smaller size with a 4-pack. Hummingbird nectar. Up top, they have some bigger planters and a couple different sizes. And a black one. Oh, look at these. I've never seen that before, but I like it. You got your holes at the bottom. $1.25. They have a couple different colors. They have some little plastic tops for your seedlings. And that is their small gardening section for early spring. I didn't even see these. Look at these. How cute. If you like little trinkets in your garden. Oh, I didn't see these either. Look at these. Serrated pruning shears. OMG, I almost missed it. So they do have the stand out. Let's see what seeds they have. Okay, so we have our herbs. We have some broccoli, basil, beans, beets, spinach, cabbage, cantaloupe. Trying to see if I see anything new. What is this pumpkin?
There she is.
What is this tomato? Beefsteak. Okay. Red cherry. Okay. Well, that's exciting. OMG. Spinach. Straight 8. Bell peppers. Let's see on the other side. OMG, I'm so excited. Okay. Alyssum, African daisy, bachelor button. They have a lot of options for flowers. Cosmos, poppy, marigolds. Okay. I have a lot of different varieties of marigolds. This is cute. Mammoth Russian sunflower. Sweet Williams. We have zinnias at the bottom. California Giants. Lilliput mixed colors. What is this? Semi-dwarf Pumila. So they have a lot of semi-dwarf that I'm seeing this year. Look at this one. I've never seen these ones. Giant cactus. Zinnia. That's interesting. I'll be back for all of these. Okay, and then we have one other side. We have some peppers. We have snapdragon, lettuce, serrano chili, basil, lavender, oregano, parsley. We have some sage, some thyme. We have beans. We have the Blue Lake. Wonder if they have contender. Oh, they have contender beans. My favorite. Top bush. We have carrots. We have market more. Blue curled kale. Paris Island. Little marble. Sugar snap. Sugar snap. And then squash and Swiss chard. So they have all of their seeds in. And I think that is it. Yep, I didn't miss anything. Okay, so here's an overview again of the small section they have out now. OMG, I am so surprised that they had their seeds out already. What's today's date? I think it's like the 11th. So they already have their seeds out. They have a good amount of supplies that you can purchase right now. There should be more stuff to come as they clear out. Do they have still Christmas stuff? I'm not sure. But as they clear out more space, they will be adding more inventory. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I am going to be doing more videos of inventory, probably at Lowe's, Home Depot, and some other stores. So if you like this type of content, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.